Hello, Jaden. Toy reviews?
Hello!
What toy you bought today, Jaden?
Super monsters.
Super monsters?
It's cool.
Yes, Jaden, it's very cool. Wow, it's a bus, huh?
We go back.
Put it around and it can fly. Look, the wings. And how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And look, it has eyes, the bus.
Yeah, and she doesn't beat us.
Has batteries too.
Yeah.
Wow, it makes cool noises. Press it again.
You hurt?
Oh, it turns on the bus. Wow, and look at this character right here. It looks cool.
You like a rope.
Yeah, it's like a wolf, huh?
Yeah.
Wow!
Whoa, that's a cool noise.
Jaden, so reviews. Let's remove the ropes.
Yeah, let's do this.
There's 1 and 2, Jaden. Can you get this one over here? Get this one right here, okay? Yeah. Now
Yeah.
get this one over here.
You're the first take.
Oh yeah, nice job, Jaden. Tori.
Uh-oh. Let me know what that.
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just a box, Jaden. Tori reviews.
Yeah, it's just a box.
Okay, Jaden, and now let's open it.
Yay.
Oh, look at the. Oh, it does come with wheels, Jaden.
Yeah.
It was just hiding.
Yes.
It was just hiding at the very bottom. Now let's move this tape over here.
Oh no, another tape.
Yeah. There we go. I got this one.
And I got this one too.
Okay, Jaden. Let me help you out.
Okay, thank you. Yes, yes. Thank you.
You're welcome, Jaden. Toy review?
That's not hiding.
Yeah, they were hiding the wheels.
Yeah, she could put
Okay,
wheels.
now let's open it like this, huh? What's
Yeah.
that? Oh no! Boom! What's this right here, Jaden?
A drunk shirt.
Instructions. Yeah, so we need a screwdriver to remove them. And this is the instructions. Just put the wheels in there. Okay, and that's it. That's the instructions. Let's get the screwdriver, Jaden. Okay, go, Jaden. Remove the wheels. So these are the wheels now. Wow, they look so nice. Purple and blue. This is number 2 wheel. And this one is number 1 wheel. Now there's 2 more wheels to go, huh, Jaden? There's another one right here, number 3. And now number 4, the last one, Jaden. Boom! Number 4! Let's get it! Now, let's remove the bus!
Yeah, bus.
Okay, Jaden, so now we're finished.
Well, now,
It makes cool noises.
now we remove the wheels.
Yeah, put the wheels now, Jaden.
Yay.
Wow, Jaden. Now we finished putting the wheels on the bus. Now look. Oh, there we go. Wow, it looks so cool. Let me see the character Jaden colors. Wow, look at this character.
Let's go and drive.
Yeah, he wants to drive the bus.
Let's go in here.
Yeah. Go inside the bus, Wolf. Does he fit? Oh yeah, he does fit. Hey, look at the eyes of the bus.
Now let's drive.
Yeah, drive it now. Wow.
Oh, let's go. I'm going on the bus, come on, and let's go and fly.
Yeah, fly now.
Yay, we're flying.
Wow, it's flying.
Now we go down. Check out the wings.
Wow, it has lights. And look at the wings, Jaden. Wow, they're purple. And look at the back. Look at the eyes. It has lights. It lights up, Jaden. Wow, that's so cool.
Yay.
That's the first one.
Down, one up.
Grrbus fly.
Hello, Wolf.
Hello.
Hello, Buzz.
Hello.
So, you wanna go on a mission today? You guys wanna help me with something?
Yeah.
With the wings, Jaden?
Okay. Let's fly.
Oh, it's gonna fly. Thank you, you found me. Oh, now let me go inside the bus. Hello, my name is Donkey Kong. Thank you for looking for me. Thank you. Wow, this is your bus?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh no, I'm not fit.
There we go, I fit now. Yay. Okay, now let's get out of the jumper now.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, Monkey, it's crumbling. Yummy grass. Oh, thank you. Fried yummy grass.
Let me have some grass. I'm really hungry.
Okay, one grass.
Yes, that'll be enough. Thank you,
Okay,
Jaden.
now let's fly away.
Yeah.
Let's get more grass.
Okay, get more grass, Jaden. Yay, more food for us.
More grass. That's a lot of grass.
Yeah,
Okay, now let's fly away now.
okay. Go! Woo! Whoa! That was fun.
Yeah, now let's go way inside.
Now let's go back home.
Yeah, back home.
Yay! Now we're back home. Donkey Kong is here. Where's my food?
Oh, your food up
Whoa.
here.
Oh, thank you. Let me eat it now.
I have another grass too.
Thank you. Very good.
Another grass.
You want some, Wolf? Come over here. I'll give you some. You too, Buzz. Come over here. You can eat some too.
Two plus, okay.
You guys like it?
Yeah.
Okay. I was really scared. I was in the jumper for a very long time.
Why?
I got lost with my friend.
Yeah, and you see a big guy?
Yeah, I saw a bad guy. Yeah, his name was Espin. Now I'm safe here with you guys. Thank you. Yay.
Now we're going home now.
Let's go back inside the bus. Now let's go back to the jungle. Donkey Kong? Okay, let's go back to my house. Thank you. Let's go now.
Okay.
This is my home. This is the jungle.
Whoa.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Thank you,
went-
Wolf. Thank you, Buzz. I love this place. This is where I grew up. Okay. Well, thank you, Wolf. And thank you, Buzz, again. Bye.
Bye.
So, we came back from the adventure.
Nah, I live in here.
Yeah, this is your house.
Yeah.
Do you like your toy, Jaden?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye. Oh, I'm missing one of fan.
Who you're missing?
Oh, fan. Look in the box.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's characters, huh?
Yeah, Dad, I'm missing my fan.
Yeah, look how many characters you're missing.
I missing 1,
1,
2, 3,
4. You have this one here. You're just missing 4, Jaden.